So in today's video, I will be going over all the Supreme items I picked up from week 1. Now I know it's pretty late, week 4 or 5 has already happened, and I'm just now doing the week 1 pickups, but a lot of my orders didn't come in until last week since I copped a few things off restocks, so it took a little while and I didn't want to make the video until I had everything in hand. So now I have everything I picked up from week 1 in hand, so I'm going to show all of it to you guys today. So make sure you stay tuned for the entire video, and this is the most I've ever spent on a Supreme drop, so this was a pretty big drop for me, so I got quite a decent haul, and I'm going to show everything I got, so let's get right into it. So first thing I copped, not too exciting, but I did cop 4 packs of the purple sock and then 4 packs of the purple boxers in size large. So the reason I bought these is because I saw the special boxers usually go for quite a bit once the season's over, and I saw that large was the best size to get. So I decided to get 4 of them just because it saves on shipping when you get like a big order like this. So I think these are $24 a piece. So usually the special boxers go for at least 75, maybe even 100. Size large usually does the best, so I decided to take a risk on these. And most of the special release boxers from the past few seasons aren't really too good. I think the purple ones will be a lot more popular than those, so I just took a risk on them. Hopefully it pays off. And then socks I kind of just got for the lulz too. I didn't really know why I bought these. I just added them to my cart since they're purple. And these may do well. I haven't really seen them make a sock color besides red, white, or black in quite a while. I don't know if they ever have. But I decided to take a risk on the purple too. So we'll have to see. I'll probably end up holding these for at least a season, maybe even 2. We'll just see when the values go up on them. This is the first set of items I picked up. Now on to the next. So the next item I picked up was 5 of the Supreme box logo fitted hats. And just like the boxers, I noticed that the box logo fitteds usually go up quite a bit over time, so I decided to take a risk on these as well and just hopefully they go up. I didn't get the best sizes just because I choked on release day, so I had to pick up whatever they did on restock. So I got a black one in 7 3/8, another black one in 7 3/8, I got a navy one in 7 5/8, and then 2 reds in 7 1/2. And this one for some reason did not come wrapped in plastic. I thought it was pretty weird. But the thing about this is it has all the New York Yankees championship years on the back. So I think this will do really well for values in the long run, just because Supreme is based in New York and the Yankees are the popular team in New York. So I think people will gravitate towards this. So I'm just gonna hold this to the summer once baseball season starts and see what they do. And I'm sure these will do well over time. Most Supreme fitteds do well, especially in the common colors. So I'm expecting the black ones to do best, and then maybe the red ones. And then that box logo is the main selling piece for it. So that's the hats I ordered. Now I'm gonna show you the tees, so let's get right into it. So I copped 3 tees this season. I tried to get more, but I choked also. I was doing really bad on drop day. There's just too many things dropping, and I was kind of scrambling. I wasn't really well prepared. So I was only able to get 3, but luckily I was able to get them all in the same cart. First one is the Win tee. So it just has Supreme on the front and then the graphic. And this is size XL in the black color. I always get black or white in size XL. That seems to be the safest option and one of the safest options, and it's relatively easy to get. Next tee, I cannot remember what this one is called since the drop was so long ago, but it does say Supreme, and then it has all the boroughs in New York on the front. So simple tee, but usually that sells, so hopefully this one does pretty good. And just like the last one, size XL. And then the last one, I got the Supreme water gun tee in white, also an XL. I can't remember what other tees released, but I got most of the ones I wanted. I think the only one I didn't get was the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle one. That was pretty sad. That I got carjacked when I tried to get it, but I was still able to get these 3, so still pretty happy with what I was able to get. So I'll just hold these until the summer. That's the best time to sell the tees if you didn't know. So that is it for the tees. Now I'm gonna show you the bags, so let's get right into it. All right, so here are all the bags I was able to cop. I copped quite a few bags this year. Usually I don't buy this many, and all of them are in the black colorway, which is usually the best color for bags. So something new that I've never picked up was the Supreme duffel bag. So I got this in black, and my friend convinced me to get this. I wasn't gonna get it initially, but he showed me that he copped one, so I just decided to cop one for myself. It looked pretty cool, and I'll be doing a review on this on my channel within the next week or 2, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And the next bag I copped were the backpacks, so I decided to double down and get 2 this year. Usually I only cop 1, but I decided to get 2 of them just because the backpacks I know will do well over time. And I've already done a review on this bag, so if you want to see that, go check out my channel after this video. I give an in-depth look of this bag as well as try it on at some point in the video. So if you want to see my thoughts on it, just go watch that video. And then the next bag, I also got 2 of them this year, and it's the black waist bag. I've also done a review for this, so if you want to go check that out, it is on my channel. And the waist bag is pretty nice. It's a little bit small this year, but that could be a good thing for some people. So if you want to see all the features of this bag, make sure to go check out that video. And the last bag I copped was the Supreme neck pouch or shoulder bag, depending on what you want to call it. And I got this in the black colorway, and usually I don't pick these up just because I haven't liked the design in the last few seasons, so I didn't see a reason to. but I decided to pick it up this season just because the design looked pretty good, and hopefully it'll do well over time, and the clean design, I think it will. So that's why I decided to pick it up, and I have not done a review for this yet. So if you want to see that, make sure you stay tuned to my channel. I'll be uploading that within the next week or two, just when I get some extra time to make that video. So that is all I picked up, all the bags. I got quite a few bags this year, definitely more than I usually get. I usually only get the backpack and the shoulder bag, sometimes the neck pouch, but I decided to get most of the bags this year. So that is all the bags I picked up, and that is all the Supreme I picked up from week 1. So now on to the outro of the video. So that is it for all my Supreme week 1 pickups. Overall, I'm really happy with my haul, and I was able to get quite a bit of stuff, and most of it's holds. I didn't really plan on quick flipping any of it. I don't usually quick flip Supreme just because it's not necessarily the best. I just feel like the smartest investment for it is holding it for at least a season. That's usually when you see pretty good returns on it. So that's pretty much what I did for everything I bought this season. So hopefully it pays off, and I'm pretty confident it will. Supreme usually does pretty well over time historically. So that is it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like on this video, and also comment down below what you picked up from week 1 if you did. I'd be interested to see what other people were able to pick up for week 1 of Supreme. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do that. I'll be uploading reviews of the other 2 bags that I haven't done yet. So I'll be doing a duffel bag review as well as the neck pouch review. So if you want to see those, make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see when I do that. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.